How is everyone doing? Welcome to my channel. This summer we had a trip to Bergen. This is the second biggest city in Norway and it is in the west coast. It takes 7 full hours to drive to Bergen from Oslo and even more for us who travel with kids and stops all the time. The driving distance between Oslo and Bergen is 463 kilometers. Our journey just started and we are now leaving Oslo. It is early morning, a bit cloudy, raining, but everyone is happy and excited to see Bergen. Norwegians travel a lot during summertime and it's almost empty in the cities. But this year, 2020, the COVID-19 changed everything. Most people traveled within Norway. Now we are driving close to the popular Bear Park. It is most recommended place to visit with family and it is close to Oslo city. The park is big and has many interesting animals like bears, wolves, leopards, lynx, fox, deers, moose, reindeer, crocodiles and snakes. The building you see is a copy of the original stave church. The original was removed to a museum park in Oslo. These popular churches are very old, from the Middle Age and entirely made of wood. Ascending the mountain, we saw beautiful mountain plateaus, which are lakes on the mountains. This area looks like it's a good place you can live, but this is the top of a mountain. It can be very windy and extremely cold during winter. These roads are almost impossible to drive through if there's a hard winter. You can see now it's summertime and there's still a lot of ice that's on the mountains. It looks like it never gets that warm. The water is also very cold. The journey is very long and sometimes kids can get bored. I have a question to Mom. What do you do to keep kids calm while having a long driving trip? Ourselves, we sing, read books, and have hold of our favorite snacks. Phones and iPads are not a good idea on long driving trips because they can cause car sick. Now we are descending the mountain. We are around 1,000 meters high on mountains from the sea level. Big areas of Norway are covered with mountains, and it's so expensive to make roads like this. It also takes so much time considering winter time can be harder, especially in mountainous areas. This tunnel was constructed spiraling down the mountain. It's so impressive how roads are built here. You can see how high we were up in the mountains, and now we have to go so much down to reach the sea level. So we're going around and around and around, and we are almost out. And look at this view. So beautiful. Let's talk about driving rules in Norway. There are so many strict rules that forces people to be very aware while driving. Compared to Tanzania, it is very rare with accidents here. There are different fines according to what you have done. For example, if you speed too much, you can lose your driving license for life. Drunk driving depends on how much alcohol is in your system. One can lose a license for a year or two with a lot of amount of money that should be paid. So all this is made easy by placing cameras on the road that can record your speed. Sometimes no one will follow you, but there will be a fine invoice coming to your post box. If you hurt someone or kill, there can be jail time. And this depends on how the accident happened. There is also fine for those who drive slow in the highway, which is also dangerous and can cause big accidents. So for those who miss their license for more than 3 months, they must take the driving test again to pass, and thus can get their licenses back. Guys, who have heard of the popular Voss water? And the small town's name is called Voss. So this water is bottled in a glass bottle and looks so elegant. It is also very expensive, guys. It is used in most luxury hotels and in movies. Now we are charging our car before we enter Bergen. This is kind of supercharger that takes a very short time to charge the car full. For more information about Tesla and charging, please visit my video that I posted a while back. Welcome to Bergen. We are finally here. So this is Bergen. It's the second biggest city in Norway. The weather looks very nice. It was sunny, blue sky. This is the hotel that we will be staying in. We love it, but everyone is tired from traveling. What is must for you to have in the hotel? Myself, when I look for a hotel, the first thing, I must have clean, nice bathroom. Good view. So this is the view from our hotel room. And it looks perfect. Day 1 in Bergen. We are going to visit the aquarium called the Aquarium of Bergen. And now I'm excited to show you what we are going to see there. Aquarium of Bergen is famous for its big variety of aqua animals. Family likes to visit this place because kids can learn about many kinds of fish. So the penguins are the first thing that we saw in the aquarium. And more other many kinds of fishes that we are going to see inside. So just be with us and enjoy. So we came out from the aquarium now, and we really enjoyed it, and we had no other big plans for today than exploring the city. This is part 1 of our tour to Bergen, and I'm so excited to show you what happens next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Hit the button like and comment. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you're new and put the notification bell sign on all to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. See you soon in the next part.